Hey guys, this is Zack Hample at Yankee Stadium for Game 4 of the American League Division Series, and this is a big one for the Yankees. They are currently trailing 2-1, so they have to win tonight to force another game back in Cleveland. The weather today in New York was brutal. It rained a lot. The stadium is going to open in about 15 or 20 minutes, and I've heard the tarp is on the field, so no batting practice. Therefore, I'm just going to be trying to get a toss-up or maybe 2 toss-ups before the game, keep the streak alive, and if I do, check this out. This dude right here, his name is Emilio, he has offered to grab a few shots of me on his phone, so there might be a little bit of footage of that. He works in baseball, has a really cool job. We'll catch up with him in a bit, but for right now, I'm going to shut up and get inside and see what happens. Well, the tarp is on the field, as I was told. That's always a bummer, but check this out. There are actually a couple of baseballs. You can see one of them right here sitting in the outfield. So maybe there's a chance to head out there, what's up guys, and get one of them tossed up. Who knows? We got a live look in here of the Red Sox-Astros game. This could end their season.
That's it.
And the Astros are moving on to the ALCS. Wow, that's pretty cool. Oh man! Wow, I was not expecting that. I just thought it would be a regular ball because that's what they've been using in batting practice for the wild card game and then game 3 here last night.
Wow, that's cool.
Yeah, wow.
Postseason ball.
Of the journey, what was the most enjoyable?
I guess there's no more rain in the forecast because the grounds crew is taking the tarp off the field. Always a good sign. It would be nice if this game starts on time. But look, enough about that. I gotta give a huge thanks to my friend right here, Emilio. Got a great shot of me getting that toss-up. I think it came from Greg Allen. I had the Indians gear on briefly. I figured that might help. So really, thank you a whole lot for that. And let me ask you a few rapid-fire questions. Where do you work in baseball?
In Staten Island for the Staten Island Yankees.
Okay, they're a Class A short season team.
Yep.
And what's your job there?
I'm the bat boy.
Okay, you must have seen some current major leaguers pass through, such as?
Dylan Betances, Brett Gardner, Kyle Gashioka, Greg Bird, and many others.
Nice. And you're going to be back there next year?
Definitely 2018.
So if you guys see Emilio, give him a shout. Are you allowed to throw a baseball?
No, I'm not.
Okay, so don't ask him for any baseballs, but still say, hey, he's a great guy. Thank you again.
Yeah, of course.
Lots of waiting around. I feel like that's the story of the day. The sky got really dark, and it actually began raining again after the grounds crew removed the tarp. But then it cleared up, the grounds crew came back out, they got the infield dirt ready, the starting lineups were posted, Trevor Bauer came out in front of the dugout to do his funky little arm exercises, and now if you can see, I'm out here in left field. That's Bauer in the background. Look at this footage I just got. He was long tossing and throwing the ball such a crazy distance that the Indians actually needed 2 coaches, one in the middle, to relay his throws. He was basically against the wall in right center field, throwing it all the way to the left field corner. Amazing. And he's working on short rest tonight, so it'll be interesting to see how he does. Luis Severino gets the start for the Yankees. Mickey Callaway, the Indians pitching coach, hooking it up right there, made a little jumping catch, and check this out. 2 commemorative postseason balls tonight.
Take your seat, squeeze! Take your seat, squeeze!
Take your seats, please. Take your seats, please. Oh, you have to do that. Catches every ball. Judge robbed your home run ball yesterday.
Yeah, he sure did.
He did. Yeah.
First out of the game is in the books. That's as many outs as Severino recorded in his last outing, so it can't possibly be any worse. And they're booing Jason Kipnis. Everybody's getting booed here tonight. The fans are really giving it to Jay Bruce. The bleacher creatures were just chanting a certain 7-letter word at him. Okay, here we go.
Jay Bruce sucks! 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 Jay Bruce sucks!
Oh, Aaron Judge just struck out on a 3-2 pitch. 97 miles an hour from Trevor Bauer. Sevy is looking sharp tonight. 2 scoreless innings so far. Thank you very much for that. And the bleacher creatures just had a chant going. Bruce beats his wife. Bruce beats his wife. I have no words at this point. This place is on fire. Todd Frazier with a 2-out RBI double. Yankees have scored the first run. They're up 1-0. Aaron Hicks is up right now. Trevor Bauer stepped off the rubber. Boo! Yankees right now. With numbers like that, I don't see how anybody can argue that Judge should not be the MVP. But anyway, he has a full count on him right now. Second inning, here's the pitch. Line drive down the line. It is off the wall. 2 runs are gonna score. It is now 4-0 Yankees. And Trevor Bauer might get pulled from this game. Here's Judge up for the 3rd time in the bottom of the 3rd inning. Here we go, bases loaded. Ooh, mighty swing and a miss. The Indians are already on their 3rd pitcher. Trevor Bauer, Joe Smith. Who do they have now? Danny Salazar. The game has been an hour and a half already. It just seems like every game here, there's something spectacular and dramatic that happens. It's so cool to be here. And what I've learned about the Yankees is just don't ever give up on them.
Hey, Bruce, how's that arthritis doing, Bruce? How you doing, Jay? Oh, you're such a bum, Jay! Bet you won't catch that flyout, Jay! Got your wife Hannah up in the suite, Jay!
That was a Gary Sanchez home run right there. And Greg Bird just followed with a little dunker, a base hit to center field. Yankees are on top 7-3 right now. It's the bottom of the 6th inning. And the Indians are on their 6th pitcher of the game. Brian Shaw is in right now.
Jay Bruce sucks! Jay Bruce sucks! Jay Bruce sucks! Jay Bruce sucks!
You're useless! Can't do anything out here! You're useless, Jay!
Luis Severino, man, what a performance tonight. His 102nd pitch of the game was 99 miles an hour. 2 outs here, top of the 7th. Yankees are still up 7-3. You can hear the crowd chanting his name. This is quite a change from the wild card game when he was getting booed. Yankee Stadium is so full of emotion. Finally, the Jay Bruce sucks chant is accurate because he just needlessly overthrew the cutoff man and allowed Brett Gardner to take an extra base. And everybody's getting antsy again because Dellin Betances is in the game. And, he's having a tough time throwing strikes. Bottom of the 8th inning. So here we go, top of the 9th inning. Yankees are on top 7-3. Carlos Santana's leading off. The Yankees need to record 3 outs. And that's strike 3. Make it 2 outs. One out to go. Michael Brantley just went down swinging. Here comes Lonnie Chisenhall. It's a final here in the Bronx. The Yankees won it 7-3 to force a decisive Game 5 back in Cleveland. They were down 2-0. The odds were not looking great, and here they are, 1 win away from the ALCS. What's gonna happen? I don't know, but I can tell you that if it does come back here to Yankee Stadium, I will be in the house. Now, as for today, I got a couple of baseballs, no batting practice, of course. You can see them right here. They both have the postseason logos on them. I feel great about that. Not a huge numbers day, but that was to be expected. So the two baseballs, give me a second here, give me a second. The two baseballs, this guy's busting my chops. The two baseballs bring my lifetime total to 10,142. I'm out for right now. I gotta catch the 4 train, go home. Thank you guys for watching.
Let's go Yankees! Let's go, boys!
Hang on a second, I just made it back home and realized now for the first time that these two postseason balls are not both from 2017. Yeah, look at this one. That's 2016. That one is 2017. What?